Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And yes, my hair is wet and pulled back in a ponytail and I don't look like my normal self. Don't worry, the rest of this video won't be like that. I have a few try-on things for you today, and the first thing I'm showing you is a Stitch Fix freestyle item that I purchased on my own. It's a pair of leggings, so hence the athletic top. I do actually need leggings, and this is the name brand Vuori that I kind of wanted to try, V-U-O-R-I. They're a premium brand similar to Beyond Yoga, Lululemon, etc. in that price range. So I tried them on, and I do not like them, but I figured I'd tell you why I don't like them. Okay, these are called the Stride Performance Leggings. The funny thing is these are navy, not black, but they labeled the tag here black, but they're definitely navy. When I purchased them, I knew that they were navy. All right, I'm gonna stand back. They're 24.5 inches, which you can see is full length on me. For most people, that would be cropped. I purchased them in an extra small. This is my first time trying this brand. To give you an idea, I am an extra small in the Beyond Yoga. Any Sweaty Betty, I would have to go up to a small. Lululemon, I am a size 4. All right. In comparison to the Lululemon, these are much thicker material, which I don't like. It feels heavier and thicker, and when I'm at the gym and I'm running, I want to feel smooth and slick and be able to stride like a lunatic on that treadmill, and I feel these are thick and would weigh me down. They do have the pockets on the side, which I'm beginning to enjoy when I do an outdoor run. I like to have pockets to put my phone in. It's rare when I do an outdoor run, so I don't have to have pockets, but it'd be nice to have pockets. Let's just put it that way. There is a little secret hidden zipper here in the back if you wanted to put something in it. I am going to return these because these are a little tight. If I were to get the next size up, they would probably be too big. And moreover, they're just not the material that I enjoy. I also don't enjoy the Beyond Yoga. For me, those are too soft and fuzzy. I like the thin, silky, feeling like I'm naked type of leggings. So I just wanted to show you these. Here's the back of them, okay? And yeah, these are gonna go back, and I have other items to show you, but I'm gonna dry my hair first and look a little bit more put together. So give me a few minutes. Okay, I'm back and a little bit better, right? Alrighty, so what I am wearing now is now from Evereve. I purchased these items directly from Evereve when I got that crummy Trendsend box. So what had happened, these were items that had been on my wish list, and even though I requested them, I just didn't get them. Then Evereve had a sale, and on top of that, I had 2 different coupons. I filled out a survey for them. They gave me a $10 coupon for that, plus I had $15 in rewards. So I decided between the sale and that, I'm gonna purchase some items directly and just hope for the best that they fit. And I'm very happy to say I'm very pleased with the first 2 items. I have one more top to show you after this. All right, so this is a regular sweatshirt. It's like a French terry on the inside. I believe the name brand is Evereve. It is 88% cotton, 12% polyester. It has the cute little racing stripes on the side. You see it fits me very well under the armpits. One of the women that work for Evereve actually modeled this on Evereve TV, and she showed it actually with a white button down underneath. So this is something absolutely that can be layered in the spring, and then in the summertime you can pair it with shorts. Now these shorts have been on my wish list for a while. When I saw Laura from Little Box of Happy get them, I wanted them too. The top is in my normal size extra small, and the shorts are in my normal size 0. The shorts are cut from the cloth. You can try also looking on their website directly from Cut to see if you can find them. They have these cute little patch pockets here on the front. Cut fits me very well. It's just a brand that fits my body typically well, even in the straight sizes. Sometimes the straight are a little bit too big, but usually I don't need petite and Cut. Like I can wear my heels and be okay, and the crotch isn't too long most of the time. Yeah, these are great. I love these. So they're perfect, the perfect fit like around here, and it's not squeezing my leg. So yeah, these are cute and adorable, and I'm very pleased with this outfit, and this will go into my drawers. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next Evereve top. Okay, next up I have on this Evereve sweatshirt. Again, the name brand Evereve, it's their own name brand. It is like in an ivory or bonish kind of color, and it has faux leather coming down the sleeves. This has been on their site for a while. They never marked it down, and I can understand why my Trendsend did not have this top in an extra small, because it has been in their inventory for a while. I was reading, this is the one I was most nervous about, because I was reading the reviews and everybody was saying it runs small. So they only had an extra small left. I took my chances, ordered an extra small, and I don't know what they're talking about runs small. To me, this fits. If anything, there's room. You can see it's long in the arms. So I'm not quite sure why people were saying it was small. They may be thinking a sweatshirt needs to be big, baggy, and oversized. But that's not my aesthetic. I like things to fit me, not to be oversized on me. So I'm thrilled that this one worked out. Like, I was really worried it was gonna be too small. So yeah, this is the front of it, this is the back of it. And I think this is a great elevated sweatshirt. Like, something like this is like what I like to wear when, like, maybe I'm gonna visit my daughter on her college campus, you know? It's very casual and everything, but I kind of want to look nicer and put together. So yeah, I think this is a really cute little sweatshirt. All right, give me a minute. I got an Amazon try before you buy next. Next up is an Amazon try before you buy purchase. So this top, it's an actual sweater. It's a cotton viscose polyester blend. It has a very open weave, so you have to wear something underneath. I have 9 million different colored camis. As you can see, this one's poking out. But I didn't have one to match this, so I decided to go with white. This has like light colored tortoiseshell buttons. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see. And it has a myriad of colors here. Turquoise, peach, kind of a coralish color here down at the bottom. I love this. This one I did size up, and I can't remember why I sized up on it. I think maybe because they did not have an extra small. I'm fine with it. I mean, the sleeves are a little bit long, but I think it's a cute little summer little sweater to throw on. I think this is adorable. And yeah, another item I can add to my closet. Again, this is Steve Madden, BB Dakota. And I'll put everything in the links below of what I got. Give me a minute, there's just one more item I'd like to show you. Hold on. Okay, the next item to have to show you is not a clothing item, nor it is a shoe item. It is a piece of jewelry. And as you know, I'm not really that big into jewelry, but I'm starting to get a little bit into it. This is something different. I got an arm cuff. I know this is a little unusual, but I kind of wanted to wear something on my arm for whatever reason. I thought it'd be good with sleeveless tops for the summer. So I wouldn't wear it particularly with this short sleeve top. I would definitely wear it with sleeveless tops, and I think it's kind of cute. I got it from Etsy. I'll link the seller below. I got a size 9-inch. I measured my arm and I chose a 9-inch. And I think that was the right choice, because I think anything larger, it would start sliding down, which is what I don't want. So yeah, I think this is cute. It's very minimalist and it is something different. So very happy. It was like $26. So yeah, all right. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click the notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. And take care, and until next time.